Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying the transducer position and power. Mounting angle and depth matter, so make sure the transducer is level and fully submerged. Once done, power the unit and switch to down imaging. You will set gain around 40 to 55% to avoid clutter, then choose a higher frequency like 455 to 800 kHz to increase target resolution. As you start moving slowly, watch the screen and note initial echoes. This establishes a clean baseline for adjustments. You now optimize image clarity by tightening the range so the bottom fills the display. This gives you maximum pixel detail of structure. Then make incremental gain and contrast tweaks, and use reject to remove low-level noise. Small changes matter. If your unit supports dual frequency or chirp, engage split screen to compare wide area sonar with focus down imaging, because that provides both context and detail. Once you see consistent returns, slow your drift or troll pattern to collect clean You finish by marking waypoints and noting depth and structure so you can return. Precise logging makes repeatable success. Make sure to slow to 2 to 3 knots or less when you want detailed imagery, because speed blurs returns. If the image becomes streaky or full of speckle, first recheck the transducer mounting and cable, then lower gain and try the alternate frequency. Changing frequency or cleaning the transducer often resolves interference. Finally, verify boat trim and motor noise to eliminate artifacts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.